Hello and welcome back to my another blog. In this blog, I am going to share with you with new Arabian food. Today, I am going to order some food name which is called broasted. You can call this Arabic name, English name like a fried chicken. So let's have a taste about this food and etc. thing. Here we go. I have received my food. You can see this is how the food actually. This is chicken fried with potato and some bread, tomato sauce, and some Arabian. I don't know, this is garlic or ginger or some salad. So let's see how exactly the food tastes, etc. things. Now I'm going to taste this food actually, how the food exactly tastes. Potato, okay. Very hot. They are very tasty, delicious. Yeah. The chicken piece is very small actually. Normally other restaurant they had a good size of chicken, but this here what I saw actually the chicken size is very small. So what to do? Actually just oil. It's too hot. Can't eat because just now they made it. I have to wait for it, make it little bit less hot so I can eat them. Even I am so hungry. So with this food actually it cost me around 15 riyals. If I convert to dollar, it will cost me around. It will be cost you around $4. So you will get 4 pieces of chicken with potatoes, bread, salad, and etc. Tomato sauce. So whole package will convert it with you with 15 riyal. If you convert it in real, that if you convert it in dollar, it will be it will cost you around $4. I'm just waiting for make it little less hot because it's too hot the food. Actually, they just now made this. Samsung है?
आज मेरे पास चिल्लर बहुत है चिल्लर वाले हैं आज मेरे को चिल्लर ही देगा
Is some sauce. The food is really very tasty and delicious. So if you had a plan to visit Saudi Arabia and you want to taste some Arabian food, definitely try this food name is broasted. If you're going to eat this food, you're gonna love this food. So that's all now. I will see you in another vlog. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.